Good morning, you all. We see a couple ships out here. One is leaving right there that you can see. Let me see, can you guys see it? There's one right here. One right there. Right here. Are y'all gonna say good morning?
Good morning.
Who are you?
Who's playing?
Who are you?
D.
D, why you got that charger wrap around your neck? Huh? Really? Yeah, we don't know what our journey gonna be for today. So, wanted to bring y'all that. I was just walking up. Because you guys usually see my spot where I'm at. Let's see how high the water is. The water's high. I don't know what time they came in. So, walk over this way. D, Quincy, come here. Y'all, I got y'all on tripod, but I gotta set you up. But here I am right here. I can't trust D down there by himself. He might just go down there, and y'all know it. Come on, follow me. D, where you see an alligator at? D, what I tell you about your shoes, son? Tie them in a bow knot, tie them in a bow, and then put them in a knot twice. And they won't come loose for the rest of the day. For some reason, he ain't understanding that. I used to send his dad to school with his shoes tied up. His shoe never was untied until he came in from school. I'm telling you how to tie your shoe. And he was in kindergarten, preschool, all of them. And that was even Tay. But this one here, look. But when I get still, he gonna give me his feet and I'm gonna tie it in a knot. That's a what we call that? A pet peeve. That's something I just can't deal with. Kids with untied shoes. Kids who don't have their shoes tied up do something to me. I don't know why. And I think probably because they can trip over it. This is what D and Quincy should be safe at. Right here. Right there.
Last time we was here, the water's all up here.
Huh?
Last time we was here, the water's all the way up here.
It wasn't all the way up here.
It was all the way up the roof.
That's when Brenda was fishing that day.
Yeah, it was. It was, wasn't it?
Cause she had caught 2 long.
Levy Street right there. Marketplace. And LD's is right down there. I'll show y'all.
I just saw some.
What you saw, D?
I saw some. They jumped in the water.
What go in there? Where's that?
No, she just went like that.
Okay, y'all see the boys out there? Y'all see me? I'm just, it's what it is. Yeah, I was out here by myself. I was coming out here by myself, but for some apparent reason, I got stuck with these 2 boys once again. But I won't have them long. It's not gonna be long with them. So I wanted to bring y'all to Mississippi River.
Oh, they got trash all up in there.
Trash? Are they trash or is that? I thought that was animal.
Down there too.
Huh?
It's like trash. Like bags and jugs.
All up over there?
Yeah, there goes some more. This is like a toilet in there.
Do y'all know how to spell Mississippi? S-S-I M-I-S-S-I-I-S. Y'all made me forget how to spell me. M-I-S-S-I-I-P-P-I-S-S-I.
No,
M-I-S-S-I-I-P-P-I-M-I-S-S-I. Mississippi. That's one word we Mississippi. M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-P-P-I. That's what it is. M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-S. Y'all spell Mississippi. Yeah. Y'all spell Mississippi. Okay, y'all, let me ask y'all this. Let me see, can I lean y'all down just a little bit? Wait, let me take this. Hold on, let me adjust my camera.
What that look like? Feel like a snake.
Let me adjust my camera. Let me bring y'all up something. I wanted to ask y'all a question. Your main pet peeves. Main pet peeves. What are your main pet peeves? Okay. Y'all. Maybe I can put y'all back here and talk to y'all so y'all can see the two boys along with what I have to ask y'all. Y'all see them? Let me take you over here. There they are right there. And here I am right here. So hopefully you can see the water. You probably can see them. Trying to make it so y'all can see the both of all the world to see. But I was sitting there thinking about I have two pet peeves. Two. And I think I had told you guys this before.
Hey,
What did you hear?
he hit nothing but the water.
Give me that string from around your neck. Look at my chest. You know what? One thing about older people, and I think it then went on to me, one thing parents didn't play is plastic around kids' neck and face and ropes and stuff around their neck, and you couldn't play with your neighbor or your ears, or maybe you might get away with your nose. That's kind of the way it is. And that thing got right on there with me. Okay, y'all. My main pet peeve is I'm just looking at some people over there. I used to be a cashier, y'all, and for some apparent reason, when you go to the register, you put your food up there. For some reason, did you think that food was free? Okay, the reason I say this, they finish ringing you up. You're digging in your purse for your credit card. Now, when they finish, now mind you, if you got all these groceries, once you get there, you should have your card already out. Some people did, a lot of people did. That is a pet peeve of mine right there. Another pet peeve is, and me and Brenda, we argue about it all the time. Why you got exercise equipment at home, but you want to park near the door? I ain't understanding that. Why you parking at the door? You trying to get to the nearest park. And sometimes when you get to the nearest park, y'all, it's close up on people. They hitting your door, bamming your door, putting dents in your door. I mean, it could even happen even if you're way out. You know, people can hit your car or whatever. And I be saying, Brenda, why in the heck? I have to drive Brenda to the door and go find a park. And then when I'm looking for somewhere to park, or not somewhere to park, people are behind you, in front of you, waiting for those people to come out. Pull out so they can pull in, so they holding all this traffic up. I ain't understanding that part. I don't get that. That's a pet peeve of mine. Find you a park. That person, I can understand if that person was pulling out that time and you had to make a complete stop. But if you're going to wait for them to put their groceries in the car, because it does happen, yeah, it's a problem. Walk. Get you some exercise. Move around. Just find a park. That's all. Especially if you're, let's say, you're with somebody and the person that you with don't want to be parked way down there because they can't hardly walk. Okay, I'll take you to the front. But if you young like me and Brenda do not want to walk. She want to get dropped off at the door at every time. So the way she do it now, she called my cell phone. I'm out. Because if I drop off at the door, I'm just going to go in. I'm going to go park. Call me when you get through and I pull up. And Brenda do not like to drive either. That's another problem. But she tell you how to drive. Y'all ever had those people? Anybody that got people? They tell you how to drive. But they ain't driving. See, you know you could have did that. Why are you doing that? I'm like, and we argue every time we're in the car with that. Oh, there go another boat, y'all. That's what pulls the barges. No, the big barges. You gonna throw a rock and hit that boat window. Let me let y'all see this.
I'm too weak for that boat. I can't hit that boat. I can't go far. They'll just hit the hole.
That can't be me though.
What?
On that boat.
Why?
My head would start hurting me.
Oh, you don't like to be in water? How you know? You ever rode a boat? Well, how you know if your head gonna hurt? Look at this boy. How he know his head gonna hurt? He talking about it couldn't be him because his head and everything will be hurting.
I just can't do it.
I can't fly either.
You can fly. Not with your own wing because you don't have wings, but you can get on an airplane.
I'm so not getting on the airplane.
You might go to the military. Yeah? Oh. Why y'all didn't tell me my necklace had failed?
Well,
I just see it.
Not like this though.
Not like what?
I don't want to feel army, but I want to feel army.
You don't want to go to the army. Why you don't want to go to the army?
I'm bored.
How you know the army boring and you ain't never been? Y'all, how that boy know if the army boring? He ain't never been to the army.
I'm feel farmer. Then I'm going to go to the army.
Be a what?
I'm feel farmer, then I'm going to the army. That'll be the construction worker.
Those are some pretty good jobs.
That'll be a fisher.
Those are some pretty good jobs. Long as you do something honest, that's all that matters.
Look, the waves.
You see the waves came from the boat, from that little boat?
Oh, look, good, too.
No, this ain't, you can't do what you did in Alabama. Another, when we used to go to Alabama, that water right there will take you in.
That's strong current.
Yeah, strong current, too.
I jump in that water for.
Oh, so what's this? It's not blue, it's like red.
I don't never want to see y'all over in this Mississippi River.
I ain't never seen that in there.
You better not get in there. That Mississippi River don't play right there. Look at that snake! Right there! Yeah, Quincy, really. Did y'all like the watermelon? Tell them how y'all like that watermelon challenge.
Oh, the watermelon was good though, but the peeves, that wasn't even good.
The watermelon with the mustard on it? No, you didn't even eat it all. Yeah. Y'all, it looks like it's finna start raining. I want to show y'all. Look, it's kind of dark out here. Looks like it's gonna start raining. Oh, it's moving. It's finna go away.
I saw that man that
You ain't seen that man that had that.
The man did come out there to the man that he had a white suit on. He had came out here and they picked that thing up.
Then he a pilot.
He an old man.
How's he a pilot?
He can drive boats. He at the
A boat is not a pilot.
How did you say that thing?
He's a captain.
Yeah, Captain. Oh, they say Queen of the Mississippi.
You can see that from there? I can't even see that far.
They say Queen. You see that red
Queen of
thing?
Mississippi. See the sign right there?
My eyes blurry.
Oh, that's a policeman. in a white t-shirt right there.
He might be security, but I don't think he's a policeman.
Ain't that thing hunting them people up there? See,
No. We should have got on there.
Who?
Us?
I'll stay right here, wait on y'all.
We should have got on there. Why y'all don't want to take adventures?
You know, people looking over that thing, you know what they call.
Boy, you act like that when you was eating that. No, he threw that watermelon away, didn't you? I threw that in the garbage.
Look, see, over at the top.
Who at the top? Is somebody at the top?
It's a lady.
Oh, that could be me. I could do that.
That thing too hot.
I want to be at the
If it's a pool up there, I'll go up to there. In a pool.
I could do that. You'll be amazed what you can do. You guys are children right now. You will be amazed. You think that you won't do it, but as you grow older, you find out new things that you can do and achieve in life.
This over there, that thing was going sideways.
I do a train.
Hey, y'all say hello to hello to cousin Angela. I am Gypsy Rose. Say hello, y'all.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Gypsy Rose. Remember Gypsy Rose? I remember Mary used to send y'all your hats.
Oh yeah, hello Gypsy Rose.
Nah, that was Mary. Miss Gypsy Rose.
Hello Miss Gypsy Rose.
Hello, Miss I am.
Hello Miss I.
Hello, Miss Sandra.
Look at them.
No, Gypsy Rose. Yeah, that is the one. Yeah, Quincy, remember us going to your house, Gypsy Rose.
I remember too. Cause Brenda said she'll guinea her with some food.
That one is gone.
I think it's vertical.
It's kind of getting dark out here. Look at the cloud. That's another tugboat right here. That's a tugboat.
I want to get in that boat.
What boat?
That boat.
I'd rather get a small boat than that big old boat.
That boat. I want to get a speedboat instead of all of them.
The other boat gone too.
All that weight, it might sink down.
They men was whistling in that deep.
Oh yeah, there was some little kids on there. That boat.
Oh, there they go. Wave at them, y'all. They waving at us. Somebody paid attention to us today. Y'all, maybe somebody watching the videos.
He probably be watching your videos.
Yeah, Miss Skinner, she watched the videos. She passed by here sometime in the barges. We just can't get the right date.
Cartfish can jump out the water by like 10 feet at the L. They caught Asian carp.
Okay, there's LD's, y'all. Right there where the good food is. LD's. Y'all, we're going on a journey today. I don't know where we're going to end up at. We might end up back at the house cleaning out guinea pig cage. Yeah, y'all may get a chance. Stay through the rest of this video and show you how Brownie doing, our guinea pig. I'm thinking about taking these two kids to my daughter.
There ain't no house. That's a bench.
That ain't no church. That's a depot.
So that one
A train depot.
Oh, that's that stuff from farm. home since late 19.
Well, let me drive.
Yeah. You want to drive, Quincy?
I want to drive. I was talking
In the
to
country.
you.
All right, Quincy. You can drive.
I don't want to drive right now. I want to drive.
I know you ain't finna drive right now. We'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all. We are at Wendy's. Y'all, trying to set this camera up. D is in the back. They got what they wanted to get. Y'all, I got me some KFC. And y'all just had that. Let me tell you something. You still have a little bit of that original flavor for KFC. And that's why I got it. I had a taste for chicken. And they got some nuggets. Show them what kind of hamburger. Show them your burger. I don't care too much for burgers. I don't care too much for bread. I used to like bread. I don't know what happened to me. Everything. Anybody out there, did your taste buds change on y'all? Things that you used to like, you don't like no more? They got y'all a Coke.
I do.
What? They got Sprite at y'all Wendy's? That's amazing. I'm like, ooh. Camera. Oh, y'all. Sorry about that. I'll put y'all back up here. So y'all can see us. Trying to make sure you can go see Quincy a little bit more. Hold on. Y'all, I need a car mount for my window. Y'all probably gonna be just looking at me. Okay, let's sit it right there. Right there. Y'all, it's in the gangster lean position. Gangster lean. It look like my head cut off until I can finish. Look, let me show you. Look. Look right here. Where's my napkin at? So I can do this a little bit better. Without breaking my camera. You know what? I could have just set my camera on the dash since I wasn't moving. Let me try that. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's a little bit better. I had it on here. Just a little bit better. Take it off of there since I'm not moving and we're sitting in the car eating. I'm gonna take them in a little while and go drop them off at my daughter's house. Do y'all like on your chicken? What y'all like on your chicken? Do you like the skin or the meat? You like the skin too though? You like the skin or the meat, D? Then I got a thigh. Probably need to move y'all back a little bit. Did they give me a spoon? Yeah. Y'all probably gonna see me greasy. I'm real greasy. You know what? Y'all, they got a wing stop here. You know what? I would have thought Wingstop all was the same and it tastes real good. Here? No. They got some good brownies. What's that? A nugget?
Fry.
You got, let me see that fry. God, let me see it. He gonna reach his brother these fries, really? Look. What he don't want. What's wrong with this kid? You don't never give somebody something you don't want. If you don't want it, don't you give it away. To a certain extent. Because you might find somebody that got some real pretty towels, but you don't like them because you don't like the color. So you can give them away if they're in good, decent condition, but this boy got some beat up French fry.
He thought he was gonna be my good one. They want to go hacking right there.
You want to give your brother a nugget? He gave his brother a nugget.
Yeah.
You don't want no nugget?
It'll be great.
Oh well. Yeah, since I got this new camera and I can sit it up there on that dash, I think y'all see me eat more and be greasy. Did they give me a? I did mashed potatoes, y'all. How much stuff you got, D? You better not make no mistake out and drink out my soda.
I can tell the difference.
Quincy, you got a girlfriend?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, Quincy say he got, look at him. What's your girlfriend name, Quincy? Sanaya Henderson.
We been there for a long time.
Huh?
Been there for a long time.
She been there for a long time. Where?
We've been together for a long time.
Been your girlfriend for a long time? What did you just say?
We've been together for a long time.
How in the hell you been together for a long time?
We're cool.
I don't see y'all at the rides.
Huh?
Y'all be at the rides?
They be kissing.
They be kissing.
No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. She watch her tongue. She gonna know what he said.
Oh, wait. She watch my channel?
And just.
Oh.
She watch y'all all night.
Huh?
She can watch y'all all night.
Here, blow on my potato. Blow them so they can be cool. Blow my potato. Side.
I ain't about you this morning.
Huh? Then I heard what he said. He said he didn't brush his teeth. He blew on my food like I ate that watermelon. Yeah. Somebody want mashed potato? Huh?
I'm eating that turkey.
Kentucky Fried Chicken meat is pretty good. Who wants a biscuit?
I don't eat that biscuits either. Too salty. I don't eat
That
that.
chicken wasn't dry. Kentucky Fried Chicken gravy is really good, y'all. I really like Kentucky Fried Chicken gravy.
She said it was too dry. And she eat it. Then we had to eat because their fries were too nasty.
I don't eat from there either.
Where?
Subway.
I like Subway. I used to like Subway.
The pizza.
I don't like all that bread. I used to eat some bread, y'all. I was a bread eater. I promise God I was. I don't know what the heck happened. Y'all keep y'all some sanitize in here. This grandson of mine sitting next to me, Quincy. Quincy, look at him. Look at him. Look. Let them see your face. Look out. Look. What do you always do? Bite his fingernails, his finger stay in his mouth. And I'm so glad I got this sanitizer. Every time I see his finger in his mouth, I tell, take your finger out. What? Put some sanitizer on it. And he'll go back to eating on it. I know that stuff tastes nasty. Don't it? You can taste it while you eat.
You can't taste it.
Any nail biters out there?
Look at that black cat. That's a black cat over there.
We need to go feed him.
Who?
Oh, he got a collar on. Oh, Lord.
Look at his face.
Who go feed him?
Hmm?
Who did you go feed?
Go feed him.
Do that by yourself.
Y'all. I'm gonna go take my grandkids to another house. I'm supposed to be go get their hair cut, but I don't feel like sitting there. That barbershop packed, ain't it?
Be a lot of people.
I know.
You went one time. We went there early in the morning.
I know y'all stayed there all night. I'm like, y'all want to get a haircut today, or y'all want to wait for another day? Gypsy roll. Everything in this bag. Put that over to the side. Let me get my feisty dicey senator. This is sure is watery. Probably because I left it in here too long or something. I don't know, but gets the job done. Put my hand out the window. Oh Lord, I got a cut in my hand. It's burning. Who got a? Who? Ain't no more napkin. Oh, here go a napkin. I got one. Y'all, I lost my necklace again. I paid a good $1 and something for that. No, that was 25 cents. Yeah, I paid 25 cents for my feisty dicey necklace. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all Brownie. We gotta clean Brownie's cage, so y'all come along on that cleaning of the cage. Okay? Hello, everybody. You all, I wanted you guys to see Brownie. This is my guinea pig right here, me and Brenda's. And this cage right here is to keep him in while we clean his cage. So this is his cage while it's being clean. I cleaned it out really well. So I know we have some guinea pigs, people that love guinea pigs. And I just want you to let you know that Brownie is getting taken care of real well. Now this is his cage. He just had clean pellets, got his chewing toy, his hay goes in that gray container, which I got to put in a minute. And here's some more wood for his teeth, and there's one. Now here's Brownie right here. So if you guys ever see him in here, that's why he's getting his cage clean. Okay, there's Brownie right there. You all see his clean cage. Got to put his hay in. And that's what he hides in. I got that from the dollar store and the rug from the dollar store. So that's what... Y'all cleaning the guinea pig cage ain't nice. It's tiresome. I just wanted you guys to see that. But this is his cage he stay in while we clean. Mind you, that's a regular size cage. Regular size cage. We hooked it to the enclosure. And this is Brownie. Hope you guys got a good look. Alright, you all, here's Brownie's enclosure. And I forgot to show you guys the alligator. This is his alligator. Came from one of the subscribers, y'all. So, there's Brownie right there. With his hay and everything that he needs in here.